Oh, hello, my beauties. This is Aashika here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So, recently I have come across this trend called clean makeup look, and I basically feel it's just an upgrade version of no makeup look. So, without wasting any time, let's get into it. So, let's start with prepping the skin, and I'm a firm believer in prepping my skin before starting off with any kind of makeup since it provides a lot of hydration. Also, your makeup sits on your face much more better and it looks more natural, so it's very important to prep your skin before starting off with
Now I'm gonna use this Garnier Bright Complete Serum. Now what this product does is it gives that dewy and plump look which we need for this look. Also it's very lightweighted and non-sticky. So I'll apply this on my face and neck. Next I'm gonna use Nivea Soft Moisturizer. I'll apply this because my skin is very dry at the moment and this moisturizer makes my skin very soft and nourishing. Also this moisturizer is perfect for winter season. Now I'm gonna massage it nicely on my face, also covering my neck and the type of glow I want.
I'm all done prepping my skin and there's a glass like glow which is happening on my skin right now, as you all can see, but this glow is just not enough for me. I want my skin to glow within. So Fasten Up was kind enough to send me their product, which is Fasten Up Vitalizer. Now what this product does is it fulfill all my daily requirements of minerals and vitamins, which will help me to stay active and energetic throughout the day. That means I can make good content for you all because I'm all energetic throughout the day. So if you are interested to buy any of this product, you can go on their website, which is Fasten Up India, and you will also get additional 10% off if you use my code, which is Sharma10. I'll mention all their link in my description box below, so don't forget to check them. So I'm using my Fix Plus as my primer because I don't want much layer and this makeup is all about clean and chic look. So I'll just shake my primer and spray it all over my face. So I have a lot of discoloration on my face and for that I'll be using my concealer, not color corrector, because I don't feel like layering it much. फिर hide करने के लिए मुझे और layers डालने पड़ेंगे, which I'll be going with my Kryolan Supra palette and I'll be mixing two colors, which is my contour shade, like the 2 to 3 shade darker than my tone, which is obviously my contour shade, and the one which I use as my foundation. So I have already mixed them both over here. So what I'll be doing is I'll warm up the product right here and just dab it with my finger itself because your finger has some.
Now I'm gonna use this small beauty blender, making sure everything is nice in place.
Okay, so I'm done concealing my face and ready for the next step, which is foundation. But for the clean makeup look, it's very important to make sure that your foundation shouldn't be looking like you're using any kind of foundation. It should look like your skin but better. So choose foundation which suits your skin the most so it looks like your skin. And also you can go with the tinted moisturizer, which is your PB and CC.
And the loose powder I'm gonna use is from Eye Magic in the shade Banana, and I'm just gonna dab it under my eyes and the areas where I crease the most because I don't want this product anywhere else on my face. For the bronzer I'm gonna use Color Bar and I'm just gonna dab some on my cheeks and some on my nose just to give that sun kiss.
So now I'm going to fill in my brows, and for my brows, एक तो ये बने हुए नहीं है, but that's fine. We can make it up, but for the clean makeup look, it's like we don't need the sharp brows. We just need to fill in the sparse area which we have. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm taking my eyeshadow, which is like black grayish. I can't show you क्योंकि वो टूट चुकी है. So I'll just fill in my sparse area, which I need to fill in. I'm not giving them a shape, but making sure that they look good. Okay, so I'll just do it off camera. Okay, so I'm also done with the blush because मैं camera on करना ही भूल गई थी, and I'm done with this step. So what I have done in the previous step is took my liquid lipstick from inside because I didn't have any tint, so I made one. What I did, I took my liquid lipstick, mix it with some concealer and warm it up, and then just applied it on my cheeks. That's it. That's what I have done for the blush. So now it's time to give some attention to my eyes. What I'll be doing is taking my Plume angular brush, which is P15, and taking my K-Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'll be not doing eyeshadow thing. I'll just draw a wing liner with an eyeshadow. So I'm taking the shade Wood from the K-Beauty palette.
I'll quickly draw an eyeliner, actually a winged eyeliner, on both of my eyes, and they look pretty good. And now it's time for the magic product, which is my Pro Art curler. Please be very careful while doing this, you can even hurt yourself. I'm done curling my lashes, and now it's time for mascara. I'm using Maybelline's Color Cell, and it's my current obsession. Now I'm taking some random lip liner, I don't know the brand name, and nicely outlining my lips, making sure everything is nice in place. Now I'll be taking Nykaa's lipstick in the shade Wake Up and Makeup and topping up with some liquid lipstick. Now fixing my makeup with Max Fix Plus, making sure everything stays in place.
Alright guys, that's it. So it's a very simple look, very easy. Also it looks very juicy, very fresh, very dewy, very glowy, and mostly it looks very clean, hence the clean makeup look. So that's it for the video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe, and I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.